Yo, what's good, guys? So this is kind of going to be like a shift into what the new content's going to look like for YouTube. All right, so we're kind of going to wrap up this week. I know I didn't really post any trading content this week. That was on purpose. That was kind of to like reset and figure out what my plans were moving forward for this. So this is the plan. Okay, today we're going over all of our weekly trades, or the trades that we took for this week to make me 60 grand. Okay, as you guys can tell by the title of the video, making 60 grand in a week. Who the fuck cares? Okay, I'm just here to show you guys the trades that I took, how we made it happen. And then moving forward, what we're going to be doing is we are going to have the live trades coming back. Okay, so we're going to have live trades, and essentially I'm just hired someone to also, sorry, my room's really messy, but we are having someone clip up my live trade, so I'm able to film all of it from the start of daily bias until we take a trade, until take profits being hit, and until I log off that Zoom. Whoa, dick in my throat. Wow. But anyways, we're going to, sorry, what was I even saying? Yeah, we're going to be showing all live trades. Again, remember we took like a little break from it as we started getting into the boot camp, and then, I don't know, a lot of you guys asked for it again, so we're going to do it again. Going to have someone clip it up for you guys and then get it posted. And then along with that, we're going to try and keep doing those 3 vlogs a week. Okay, we have another vlog coming out, I believe today, hopefully today. And then starting next week on Monday, we'll start to be able to have all these new improved trading videos coming out to you guys along with the live trades. So we have like 3 different types of videos that are going to be posted on this channel. One is going to be live trades. Okay, you should get one of those videos every single day that I trade, and that's another thing that I'll talk about in this video. I'm going to try and start trading less, which may scare you guys off, but I'll explain why as we get deeper into this video. But you'll have live trades, and then you will have vlogs, and then you will have the better edited educational content in terms of trading. Okay, so 2 trading forms of content, 1 lifestyle form of content. Hopefully you guys enjoy that. Oh, and another thing, we have a free Discord now, okay? So you guys can join that within the link in the bio. And essentially what that gives you access to is, 1, the ability to join my Discord or get on a wait list for my paid Discord at a discounted price. So right now, the Discord is set to open August 1st, okay, through the 7th, okay? Those are the only days that it'll be open. And if you want to join that at a discounted price and not the full price, if you join the free Discord and you go into like the little where it says join waitlist, when you join, you'll see a channel that says join waitlist. You can click on that, and then it'll give you like a 20% off discount on the paid Discord. And essentially what you're doing is you're just filling out your information. You won't be charged until the 1st of August, and then boom, once the 1st of August hits, you'll get access to the paid Discord, and then it'll all be happy and merry. I'm pretty sure the discount gets you around a 20% off discount, and then once the 1st comes, all the prices go back to like normal. So if you want to join that for a discount, that's how you can do it, by joining the wait list. Moving forward from all that shit, the free Discord gets like one weekly bias like analysis Zoom call on Sunday. Other than that, it'll be like random stuff. I'll toss in giveaways. I'll post like some educational free content in there. And pretty much it's like just extra free content for you guys. Again, the paid Discord is the only people that get access to my live trades. So that's the value that's being held. But anyways, that being said, let's get into our trades that we took this week. So to start off, we'll go over the one that we took today, which was a L on gold. Okay, I wanted to de-risk on this, but apparently I didn't de-risk enough because I lost 15 grand. It's all right. Because if I had used normal risk, I would have lost a lot more, probably like 30 grand or something, which never is good. But anyways, this was taken in confluence with our Forex strategy. Let's just go over this real quick. We broke structure to the downside on the daily. Okay, on the weekly, we are still bearish because we wicked out this weekly high. We haven't closed above on the weekly yet. So boom, daily bearish, weekly bearish. 4 hour was bullish, however. that was probably the one biggest thing that I could take away from today was I was going against the 4 hour and the hourly bias that we had. We were bullish bias on the hourly, bullish bias on the 4 hour. However, I thought the daily had filled this imbalance enough, and we were playing off of our Forex strategy. Price, boom, coming up into these London session highs. Okay, big wick to the upside during news, and then we get a break of structure to the downside, and then this is where we got our entry. We took it off of equilibrium from this high down to this high, and then if we go in here, we can see, boom, price comes up, makes this low, break structure to the downside, boom, this is where we entered. We entered off the close of this candle, and then I put my stop loss just right above this high. I didn't really want to put it all the way above these highs because my assumption was, hey, if we come up here, past these London highs again, odds that we'll continue higher and higher are pretty high, and that's kind of what it's been doing, and that's kind of how it looks like where it'll go, especially looking at the hourly and the 5 minute. So yeah, we lost 15 grand on this trade. Let me toss this up. Boom, 15,000, lost 15,525 bucks. Also, don't mind the S&P trade. That was me trying to, I accidentally clicked the S&P and then I clicked short. I made like 225 bucks on that, but I honestly think I lost money because of like spread and commission. Because you know, sometimes when it's like, it shows that it's blue, but you'll actually lose money because of commission and spread that gets taken out. Anyways. Lost money overall today. Moving forward, boom. All right, that was the trade that we took today. Lost 15.5K on that. Let's go ahead and find our S&P trade that we took yesterday. I think this was a long, if I remember correctly. Yeah. Sorry, just give me a second to mark this out. Okay, so I took longs yesterday. We had lows right here that we had marked, which were these hourly lows. Okay, and then we also had this little order block that I had marked out. Boom. Okay. And then if we go into the 1 minute, which is where we took the trade off of. Okay. We boom, swept this liquidity. All right. And then we rallied. We broke structure to the upside on this candlestick. Right here. Boom. Boom. Okay. And I went long off of, boom, just this retracement down into equilibrium, and then boom, this expansionary candle upwards. So I went long off that. Stop was under here. And then my first take profit, I'm pretty sure, was just these most recent highs that were made prior to the move down. As you can see, moved into profit for like 2 seconds, and then we got stopped out. Price came into here and then gave us a reaction on up, taking out liquidity here, and then price ended up falling further. I like this trade just because, again, what are the best losses for us to take? The losses where price is changing direction on high time frame. So if we go into the 4 hour, if we could find this. Shit, that is not where we wanted to be looking. If we go into the 4 hour, we were bullish on the 4 hour, right? And as we can see, boom, that leg down caused a break of structure on the 4 hour. If we go into the 1 hour, we were bullish, right? And, oops. When we took this trade, this hourly candle hadn't closed yet, and it was looking like a liquidity sweep off of this. You know, obviously we come down, break structure all the way down there, but, right, that's what we were looking for. We were looking for this low to get swept and then a continuation. Okay, so that didn't happen. We tried to take longs off this little 15-minute extension up, okay, and then it closed below that hourly low and then came up, made a retracement, and then fell further. Okay, so that's what we were looking at on the S&P yesterday. Now moving forward, we did not trade on Wednesday. Okay, also keep in mind, yesterday we had a lot of news Also, yesterday I lost around 3.3K. All right. We had a lot of news. We had GDP and we had unemployment claims, which is why I really de-risked. And I also didn't like too many trades on this day. Forex was really fucked up from unemployment claims. It moved hella. If we go over to where Thursday was, yeah, this was the move that happened during New York session. Okay, there wasn't really much to catch. All this was New York session. Gold, this was New York session. There wasn't much price action for us to catch. This was New York session. So there wasn't much for us to look into there. Let me remove all these. Boom. Boom. Okay. Moving forward, we didn't trade on Wednesday. Let's move on over to Tuesday, which is where we had our big day. Okay. See, Wednesday, where's Tuesday? 1300, boom. Let's go over a gold trade that we took first. Okay, so gold, we had, boom. This was taken using our Forex strategy. We had these London highs right here, and we can see, boom, gold spiked right up into them, right when market opened, okay? And then what we have? We had a break of structure to the downside. Right here. And I'm pretty sure I got a decent entry off this. Yeah, I was able to enter. So we got the break of structure to the downside off this candle. And then I entered like halfway up on this minute candle. I had my stops. I didn't think I had it above here. I think I had it right in line with that London high. And from there, I had take profit 1 right here. Or wait, no, sorry. Take profit 1 was on this. And then take profit 2 was this extension all the way down here. And pretty much what happened was news hit right here and then just dumped price all the way down here. And once I saw this, I was like, close. And I wish I had it on video too. But anyways, I ended up closing out of all of this. And if you go over the TikToks, you can see it shows like full take profit hit, because I even had my take profit set here. This was take profit 1. This was take profit 2 all the way down here. I had an extended take profit down here, but I didn't even set that. I just had this as my final take profit, so it ended up closing the full position for me. But in the Zoom, I told everyone to close as well. So hopefully people ate off this. That was a cool 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. Made around 30 grand off of this. Okay, and then we also took a GJ trade that same day that hit one of our take profits. It made me around, I can't remember what I made off that GJ trade. Let me check. Yeah, so the GJ trade I made around 17 grand, which was pretty solid. Let's go ahead and find that. $1,300. Okay, I believe these were longs. Can't remember though. I'm really struggling to remember how this one went. Oh, yeah, it was off this huge extension up, and then it hit this first take profit. Okay. So this was the GJ trade. This one took a while to hit. So essentially, we were taking it off of these London lows. We were bullish on high time frames. Or sorry, these Asian lows, not these London lows, my bad. Okay, so we had these Asian session lows. We didn't really have any London lows because London session already pushed past these lows, so we didn't really have anything to work with, as you guys can see right here, right? Price was just moving down through London session. This was, I guess, the only low that they had. But anyways, price moved into here. Okay, and then all we had, boom, move in, break of structure to the upside. I was looking for break of structure to the upside and then like something to get filled and then giving me some reaction. So right? Price came up, broke structure to the upside, didn't give me anything, and then boom, we had to break a structure to the upside off this 1 minute candle. Okay, and I'm pretty sure my stop was at under these lows or under this. Yeah, it was 181.092. I had it originally a little bit higher up, but then I moved it right here. Okay, and then my first take profit was this draw on liquidity right here. I know it's not the ultimate high during London session, but I figured it was a higher time frame high. Boom, so I marked that out, and then we also had, and that was also just in line with boom, this, so I figured, hey, this is a solid take profit, and this could have been a solid take profit as well. But boom, we see take profit 1 get hit, and then boom, price stops us out at break even, and then GJ ends up, boom, flipping back around, flipping its bias back to the downside. So boom, moving back to the downside. So those were the 2 trades that I took on Tuesday. Now, last but not least, the S&P trade that hit full take profits, which was taken on Monday. Monday the 23rd. That sounds right. Where are you at? Or sorry, Monday the 24th. Okay, so this, we obviously had bullish bias. All right, I had, damn, my mouse is not working. I had this area marked out, boom, as a bullish order block wide. Boom, we're breaking structure to the downside. We're taking out liquidity, and then boom, we get a big rally up to the upside right when market opens. Market drops on down in here, sweeps this liquidity, and then if we scale down into the 1 minute, in here, I was waiting for break of structure, order block entry, fair value gap entry, whatever it would give me. So boom, we had here break of structure to the upside, right? And that's not what I was taking it off of just yet. Okay, found equilibrium. Equilibrium was right here. What did I take it off of? There was no fair value gap. I guess you could consider this the order block, which did get hit. Okay, and then what did I take the long off of? This rejection candle to the upside right here. Stop was underneath here. I think I put it all the way underneath these lows and slightly more. Okay, I believe this was the first take profit. Okay, and then we had second take profit right here. And then we had some pretty expansionary take profits over here. We had another one right here. I'm not going to lie, I kind of forget where all the other ones were. But anyways, I think we had like 5 or something take profits. All of them ended up getting hit without getting stopped out at break even. This was a close call. Never ended up happening. But final take profit ended up getting hit. Yeah, I forget how much I made on this trade overall. I think it was like somewhere around 30 something grand, maybe even more, like maybe 40 grand. I just know after the first 2 or 3 take profits got hit, I was up 27 grand, and then I kind of stopped tracking after that. But anyways, that was our weekly little recap of the trades that we took for this week. Ended up 3-2 on the week. Yesterday, I didn't even really want to trade, which is something that I wanted to get into at the end of this video, which is pretty much saying, if you join my paid Discord, I'm going to start trading how I want to trade, okay? I'm no longer, because I feel like over the past month specifically, there's been a lot of days where I'm like, dude, this just isn't high probability, but everyone's expecting a trade, and if I don't trade, then people will get on my ass. And it's like, I want to give them what they're paying for, which is to get trades, but also I don't want to give them dog shit ass, low probability trades. So guess what? I'm going to only take the trades that I want to take from now on. Okay, whether you guys like it or not, whether it's 10 trades a month, whether it's 5 trades a month, I'm going to trade how I want to trade, which is going to be high probability trades only. Okay, which means I'm not going to be trading in low probability situations just to like fucking fuel your guys' addiction. That's pretty much how I'm feeling moving forward with this shit. And And the best traders in the world only take like fucking 10 trades a month max. Like you see a lot of these big guys on YouTube, like they're not taking trades every single day. Or like, you know, like hedge fund managers and like people that are taking big trades with high account sizes similar to mine, they're not trading every single day. So why should I do the same? Especially if it's especially if it's low probability and bad market conditions. There's just like, I'm not going to fold under like a bunch of little kids pressure to tell me when to take a trade or not. And then like they get upset when we lose in low probability situations. And then they're like, wait, why'd you de-risk? And it's like, cause I fucking didn't want to trade. And they're like, well, I just lost this much. And it's like, yeah, I told you I was going to de-risk, you know? So from now on, I'm only going to be taking high probability trades. And that doesn't mean I'm going to hit on every single trade. It just means I'm only going to take the trades that I'm like very confident in, which would make sense, right? You don't want to be taking trades that you don't have a lot of confidence in. And I think the last 2 days were prime time examples of me just kind of being like, fuck it, like I'll trade just to trade. And on most of those days, like I end up losing. So with that being said, that's kind of going to be the game plan moving forward for the paid Discord, and I just wanted to let you guys know that. So you have a great idea of like what you can expect when you get in there. Don't expect me to be trading every session, every hour of the day. Expect me to give you guys high probability fucking trades, and only trades that I'm willing to take from now on. And luckily, we're able to get a bunch of new people in starting on the 1st of this month. And again, if you guys want to join early for a discount, you can do that through the free Discord. But that's not even what this is about. This is me kind of just telling you guys what you can expect out of me in terms of like trade recaps and trades that I'm going to be taking moving forward. And then also like if you were planning on joining the Discord, maybe this makes you not want to join, or maybe this makes you want to join even more because I'm giving out higher probability trades just less frequently. And also like on days that I don't trade, like today for example, I'm completely okay with taking a trade, I'm completely okay with getting on Zoom today and setting up like my daily bias and letting people know that I'm not going to trade. I'm just not going to set up and take any trades with you guys. So like if anything, that would be more value to you, because if you, let's say you're just a little fiend and you want to trade so badly, you'll still be able to see my daily bias. You'll still be able to see me on Zoom kind of going over what I want out of the market, what I would like to see, but you know that I'm not taking a trade. So maybe that will be way more beneficial for you guys. I don't know. I'm just trying to give you guys more fucking content and more shit for you guys to improve yourself as traders, and then also how I can improve as a trader moving forward. But yeah, with that being said, solid little weekly recap. I'll catch you guys in the free weekly Zoom call on Sunday. Okay, I'll let you guys know when that gets announced in the Discord. With that being said, I'm going to wrap this up here. I appreciate all you guys. Hopefully you enjoy the new content moving forward. We get started again on Monday. All right, Monday you guys should have, I don't know how many videos, probably 2 videos. You'll have a vlog, and then you'll also have hopefully a trade recap or a live trading video. All right, so with that being said, I'll catch you guys. Peace out. I'll see you guys on Monday or on Sunday if you guys are in the free Discord. Peace.